Linking your bank account to Strapi can help streamline your payment processes and manage transactions effectively. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Create a Strapi project. Start by creating a new Strapi project or open an existing one. You can do this by running the command npx create Strapi at my project in your terminal. Make sure you have Node.js and npm installed. Step 2. Install payment plugin. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Syswork to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Configure the plugin. After installation, configure the plugin settings. Go to the Strapi admin panel, find the payment plugin, and enter your API keys and other required information from your payment provider. This step is crucial for establishing a secure connection. Step 4. Set up webhooks. To receive notifications from your payment provider, set up webhooks. In your payment provider's dashboard, create a webhook that points to your Strapi endpoint, e.g. https://strapi url.com/webhooks. This allows Strapi to handle events like successful payments or refunds. Step 5. Test the integration. Finally, test the integration by making a test transaction. Use the test mode provided by your payment provider to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check your Strapi admin panel for updates and logs to confirm that the bank account link is working as intended. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Strapi and manage your transactions effectively.